Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to delete saved collections on TikTok. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To delete saved collections on TikTok for Android, follow these steps. Step 1. Launch the TikTok app on your Android device and log into your account and prompted. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the bookmark icon. It looks like a ribbon to access your saved videos and collections. Navigate to the Collections tab to see all your saved collections. Tap on the collection you want to delete. Inside the collection, tap on the three dots. A menu will appear. Select Delete or similar option that indicates removal. TikTok will ask for confirmation. Confirm that you want to delete the collection. The collection and its saved videos will be permanently removed from your account. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.